got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle and welcome back to another video. Alright, so today's video, man, I got something special. As y'all can see by the title, I'll be telling you guys the top 3 ways to make money in college without getting a job or without having to do work study. If y'all know what work study is, when you get to college, you can work on campus or, around campus and some of the buildings and whatnot. You're not gonna have to do any of that. I know what y'all thinking, but Chris, how you gonna give us advice on making money if your bread ain't to the ceiling of the frame, as you can see? And I'm just like, look, I ain't like, you're right. My bread ain't to the ceiling. But something I will say is that I'm very observant, and some of these tactics I use to get a little bit of money. And on top of that, I see some of my peers make money in these ways, and I know if it's working for them, it could work for you, and you may not know these 3 different ways to go ahead and get an income on your time using things that are to your dispersal. Alright, so I don't want to waste no more time, because me talking right now ain't really helping you make your bread, so get to it. Oh, y'all ain't picked the chop though? Check it out. Let's see it. Ooh, y'all think it's done? Psych. Y'all peep that? Y'all peeped it now? Alright. Let me stop playing with y'all. Let's really get started. Alright, I'm serious. Alright, y'all, so the very first thing on this list, okay? Before I even get into it, I need to ask y'all this question, okay? Y'all have any talents, or are you just really good at something? Let's say you're really good at math, you get an A, or let's say you get hundreds on all the homeworks and little quizzes that you gotta take, or let's say with your reading assignments, let's say you're just really good at writing essays. Every single essay you've ever gotten, you just get hundreds, you're just naturally good at. Or on the other hand, let's say you code the music, man. Let's say, do you do DJing, or do you love using the camera, taking pictures or photos? I want y'all to sit on that, because that's gonna lead right into this next question, okay? The very first thing that I have on this list is side hustles. And the side hustle, in this case, is gonna be using something that you're good at to reap a reward from. So let's say you're in calculus, pre-cal, algebra, whatever the case may be, and you get 100 on every single quiz. And it's easy for you. You know it, you study a lot, and you're in tune with what you need to know. But let's say your peers, this quiz was so hard, bro. I had to take a 70, bro. It's gonna bring down my grade so much, man. Yeah, me too, man. I got an 80, bro. I couldn't get 100. I took it 20 times. And so forth. Now, what if you just slid on in and said, hey guys, I'll do your next quiz for y'all if y'all pay me $10 each. Really? What grade do you get? Oh, I've gotten 100 on every single quiz. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'll pay you $200 to do all of them. Hey, it's a done deal. Cause I'm not gonna lie, if you get 100 on yours with ease, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? 2 people paying you for each quiz. Let's say you got 10 quizzes for the year. You're getting $10 out of both of them. You just made $200 off doing your work. I don't think there's any better money than doing something you have to do, and now you're getting an award from it. Or let's say you code with the cameraman, you be taking pictures all the time, and people see your work. Oh shoot. Hey, you mind taking some of my pictures? Everyone likes their pictures getting taken. Everyone does. Yeah, bro, I'll give you $30 for a shoot. However many pictures you want, about 2 hours. Hey, for real? Hey, let's go. But let's say you go code with filming. Hey, bro, I'm an upcoming artist. I want to do a music shoot for the song I got going on. How much do you charge? Oh, I charge $200. All right, bet. And it's off doing something you enjoy, or let's say just code with the music. Shout out to DJ Keyway. Link down below, he be code with the beats. But something like that, you go ahead, you code with the music, man, go ahead, become a DJ. Get booked, start getting your bread up. And I feel this way is probably out of all 3, I'll say it's about the second easiest, give or take, because it's something that you're already good in, already kind of like a knack for, and it's nothing too major. It's not like you're going out of your way to do it. You're already doing it. Now just get a reward from it. So that's the very first thing on the list. Is basically your side hustles, finding your little talent or gift or whatever the case may be, and just turning it into a little bit of extra money for you. All right. Y'all like the first one? Or y'all gonna love the second one? All right. So for the second one on the list, now this one, it's gonna take a little bit of a hustle, but it ain't gonna take too much time, trust me. And it's really just like free participating. It's basically money that you earn from being in the loop. All right. If you don't know what being in the loop is, it's basically being in tune with what's going on around you. So the second thing on the list is campus money. All right. Because if y'all did not know, I'm currently a sophomore, right? And as of my freshman year, I could have made probably like $100 that semester from just whether it's doing surveys, filling out like a thing for a person, just like participating in things that are on campus. I call it campus money because people be going around, all right, if you sign up for my survey, or if you fill out this survey, we're gonna pay you $5. Or if you go over here and you vote for me, we'll pay you $5. Or in fact, if you go and you stay in tune, we're running a few tests, like for a project or whatever, and if you go and answer these questions and whatnot, or if you go and participate in this, we'll give you a reward, and we're gonna go ahead and pay you $10, $20. All right. So if you're in tune with your campus, there are a lot of opportunities to just earn like little money here and there. But you just have to, and it's usually just like you just hear it, you go do it. After that, they go and they pay you, and it's usually not that hard. You just really have to be in tune, because like last year, I was on the campus a whole lot more, and because of that, you would just hear everything like, all right, if y'all do this, y'all have opportunity to earn up to $20, depending how well you perform, but you get a minimum of $10 for participating. It's like, oh shoot. But at the same time, you might be like, oh, well, $10 is nothing. But imagine if this happens, there's an opportunity like this every single week, and before you know it, the money's just adding up. That 10 turns to 50, which turns to 100. Oh shoot, that sounds good. But that one, you're really gonna have to be in tune with your school, your campus, and you're gonna have to really know what's going on around you and actually kind of seek out these type of opportunities, because it will end up falling in your lap, but it was gonna be less often than not, if I said that right. All right, so we went over the first thing, that's the side hustle. Second thing, college money. And the third one, my personal favorite. So for the third one is my personal favorite, investing. All right, and look, man, I'm not, this is not about no Forex stuff, all right? I ain't a Forex, trader or nothing, but I will go ahead and agree with them in the fact that everyone should kind of basically know how to trade, whether you're doing it for the short term or the long term. And particularly if you're trying to get some money in a quicker way, you're gonna want to day trade to swing trade. I'm currently doing that at the moment. And it's going pretty good for me. I gave myself a principal start off with $100, which I kind of up to 200 to basically try and flip to 3, if not 4. And here are a few pictures of my most recent trades. This is gonna be the good first. So we got 1, 2, 3. But at the same time, when it comes with this trading stuff, you can lose money, as you can see right here, and I might even go on this one. All right. So as you guys can see, it is a fairly profitable place, but this one, it does take a little bit of time, a little bit of training. Okay. But once you kind of get the ropes, once you kind of figure out what you're kind of aiming for, how much you want to kind of be okay with making a week, then you could go ahead and start, trying harder to make bigger profits. But at the same time, I feel like investing is good because you could really, you can make yourself some money, all right? But for this start stuff, I'm not gonna go too in depth just because of the fact I plan on making a video soon in the future, all right? That's basically gonna explain the full and entire process. But like I said, if you're not investing, go out and seek, just go ahead and learn. I have 2 links down below. It's to Acorns. If y'all don't know what Acorns is, it's a if you don't want to go do the work, but you still want to get a little bit of a reward for investing, you can just keep some money in there. I kept anywhere from $200 to $400 there for a year, and it basically brought me back about $50 to $60, like somewhere in between. And that's not too bad, you know what I'm saying? You can call it about $30 a semester, or like $25 a semester, which is pretty good. And then the real thing, you do it yourself. You could day trade, swing trade, any type of investing in cryptocurrency. That is Robinhood. My link is down below. You guys go ahead and use that. Now you can see the trades. A video will be dropping soon on how you can go ahead and get yourself started with either one of these. And it's going to be a completely transparent video. I'm going to show y'all the good, the bad, and more importantly, the ugly. Alright, so if you guys enjoy these steps, let's just go ahead and break it down. But first and foremost, man, you gotta hop on the side hustle. That's probably gonna be the most impactful money that you're probably gonna be able to make without working, a job, 9 to 5, or doing like a work study. And then the second thing, try your best to be in tune with your campus. It will really help you. For all you know, you could earn anywhere from $50 to $100 just off participating in things on your campus. It's a little bit of time to go for someone to go ahead and pay you for your service, which is great. And then the third thing is investing, man. I ain't gonna go too in depth right now because I'm gonna make a whole entire video breaking down each and everything, the good, the bad, and ugly, like I said. But anyways, for all my new subscribers, man, my name is Chris Lee, aka CEasy. If y'all did not know, I make fashion. I make videos based around fashion, investing. I throw in my life and I try to give advice. No one's even supposed to be watching my videos, but you guys do, so I appreciate y'all full-heartedly. And if you have not already, man, make sure you go ahead and like up this video. Make sure you subscribe. And I just want to go ahead and just say thank you, man. We're so close to 300 subscribers. You already know we're on the road to 500. Like a week ago, we were at 15,000 views. I just checked. We're about to be at over 17,000 views, which is literally crazy, man. The love and support y'all show, I can never repay it. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.